Alright, here is the tile. I just cut a little all over with a knife. Wasn't too hard. And that's it. It's open. And you can take out that part, and the battery is not soldered to the motherboard. It's only glued, and there is two connection, the positive and negative, so you easily can replace. I already replaced with a 2025 3-volt lithium battery, and actually was a max cell. That one was in there. It some reason it's just stopped working. It's died. It didn't do anything, and I just checked the battery. It just went dead. That's it. So it's hard to do it with one hand, but see, it's just nothing. So it's just dead. But you replace it and you're good to go. So enjoy it.